If you're a bird lover, then you need to hear this. Welcome to Meet the Birds, fun names for kids. First up, we have the tiny and chirpy sparrow. Can you say sparrow? Great job! Next is the talkative parrot. Hello, parrot. Can you say parrot? Well done! Look here, it's the magnificent peacock. Wow, peacock! Say peacock. Awesome! Now meet the gentle pigeon. Hi, pigeon. Can you say pigeon? Fantastic! Here comes the quacky duck. Quack, quack, duck. Say duck. Super! Woohoo! It's the wise old owl. Hello, owl. Can you say owl? Perfect! Look at that pink beauty, the flamingo. Wow, flamingo. Can you say flamingo? Wonderful. And last but not least, the strong and mighty eagle. Hello, eagle. Can you say eagle? Amazing! Great job! Now you know the names of these beautiful birds. Keep practicing, and you'll be a bird name expert in no time. See you next time, little bird lovers.